Welcome back. It's Eric Snaell from Vanilla Equity, and today is week 14 of the portfolio simulation. Now this is an exclusive because you're probably the only one watching, so enjoy. We have the three portfolios. One is the let the profits run. We have one called the buy the dip portfolio, and the last one is the buy and hold. And at this stage, only the buy the dip portfolio has actually performed well. It's up 1.8%, and we got 1 week to go until the year end, which means the end of the quarter, which also means that that's when we pay out the performance pay. So depending on the performance, everyone that's in Vanilla Equity is getting paid. Now these simulations are just made up portfolios for example purposes, and I think if you would manage your portfolio actively, then of course you would do much better. So we still got 1 week to go, and then we'll do the calculations so you can see how much you would have earned if you would have participated. And for those that are not familiar with the concept, the idea is that you can become a member for $5,000, and that will allow you to start managing a portfolio of $50,000, and then based on the quarterly performance you will get paid. And for the portfolios that don't perform, you can actually continue. So if, let's say, the portfolio value hasn't decreased or increased, it's simply flat, then you would just continue for the next quarter. And the idea here is to really have a vanilla setup, hence the name. So the idea is not to do penny stocks, it's not to do any short selling or doing derivatives transactions or FX. What we're trying to do is try to use big companies and really blue chip stocks and first learn to trade with them. And I think that's a problem now with a lot of young traders especially. They want to make profits really quickly, so they lured into doing this prop trading, where prop trading firms maybe offer a deadline of 2 weeks or 1 month, and they expect really good and high returns really fast. And I think when you have that pressure, you start to do a lot of stupid mistakes, and you let your emotions take over your investing. So if you're interested in Vanilla Equity, you can go to vanillaequity.com and read more about it. Always possible to send a message as well. And then if you want to join, we can have a video conference and set you up. So in 1 week, we'll have the last portfolio simulation update, and then we'll probably go into some live trading. I think that's going to be very interesting. So you can subscribe to the channel. You'll probably be the first one almost. And let's see what happens next year. Now everyone's selling short Tesla. Let's see if that continues. But I'll see you next week again.